how to make money reviewing Netflix shows online. So for that, obviously you would need your Netflix account, and in here make sure to subscribe to Netflix. Then you can start watching any sort of movies or any sort of shows or anime like that. So in order to start making money reviewing Netflix shows online, what you need to do is start a specialized entertainment blog through your YouTube channel or your TikTok account, which should be dedicated to movie and TV breakdowns. So after doing that, what you can do is apply for freelance entertainment writing positions on platforms like Upworks or the entertainment news sites. So after doing that, what you can do is monetize your account in order to grow your audience through ad revenue, affiliate links, and brand sponsorships. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to make money reviewing Netflix shows, and that's all.